Welcome to TechWire. In this video, let me show you how to work with Arduino. So let's get started. This video helps you to begin with Arduino through a simple demonstration, blink LEDs with different delays. For this project, you must require an Arduino UNO board, a breadboard, some LEDs, and some jumper wires. Let me show you how to upload Arduino IDE to the board. To download the software, check out the description area. After copying the code, click the Verify button to verify the code. After verifying, click the Tools and choose the Arduino UNO from the board. After that, choose the port from the tools that displays on the Arduino software. So that's it. Then click the Upload button and wait until it uploads. Positive terminal of the LED is connected to the signal pins, so it will control the LED. One thing that you need to remember is always connect negative terminal of the LED to the ground. So this is the schematic version of the circuit. The final output look like this.